want to replace the ear pads on your Rig 800 headset. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. By the way, the ear pads that you will see in this video today are going to fit several models made by Rig. For a full list, you will see it on the screen right now. So let me move you to the top of the table and I'll show you how to replace these ear pads. Okay, so these are the Rig 800, and as I said, the ear pads you will see today fit several Rig headsets. It's going to be the same method for all of the headsets that I mentioned. So the first step is going to be to remove the old ear pad. It's as simple as just pulling the ear pad out of its place, like that. The way that the ear pads are installed in the Rig headset is that you have a backside lip right here. This lip, it goes inside a gap. Try to get a good look for the gap. Goes inside a gap that goes all across the ear cup. All right, so I'm only going to show you one side how to install because it's going to be the same for the other side. There is no specific left and right ear pads for this headset. However, cosmetically, where the Rig logo is means the right side. That is also the right side cup. But in terms of differences between the left and the right ear pad, there are no differences, so they are the same. So for this video today, I'm going to be using our Wicked Cushions cooling gel ear pads in black. So as I said, the one where the Rig logo is the right side. So I'm going to be using the other one. All right. And the way you install it is you basically take the backside lip. You are going to insert it to the gap. Do you see how I just insert it simply like that? Once I insert it, I'm going to hold it right here, and with my other hand, I'm going to stretch the rest of the ear pad into the gap. And that is it. The left one is installed. Then you're going to repeat the process on the other side, and that's it. So let me show you the differences between our ear pad, which is right here, and the regular ear pad. So in terms of thickness, we kept it pretty much the same on this upgraded Rig ear pad. However, one major difference, if you know our WC Freeze cushions, we have cooling gel in our cushions. Fabric on top, PU leathers on the inside and the outside, cooling gel layer on the top, and cooling gel layer on the inside of the cushion. As you can also probably notice, the inside ear opening is bigger on our cushion. If you want to try these out, simply click at the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.